Hello friends, welcome to CAD Technologies. Today we are going to learn how to snap the different points by using dynamic input. So the dynamic input, we normally name it as DYN, and it's subdivided into two methods: absolute coordination method and incremental coordination method. If you take a look on this picture, you can see the similarities in the geometry and the difference in the coordination points. So let us see the technique behind this in our software. So now I'm going to draw a rectangle by using absolute coordination method. You can use absolute coordinates to locate the points when creating objects, and to specify a point, enter an x value and y value separated by comma. So first I'm going to fix my origin as 0, 0. Right from here, x, y value for my second point as 5, 0, and the third value as 5, 10. 0, 10 for my fourth value, and simply close it. So this is an absolute method. It is very simple, and normally we are using this. But when it comes to the incremental method, you need to on the dynamic input icon. So this is a dynamic input icon. Shortcut key is F12. If you can't see right from here, you can directly select from here. This is a customization bar. Okay, so I'm going to draw the similar rectangle by using incremental method. But when you give the same value, you will get an inclination like this, because in incremental method the origin in default changes to the point where you start your line. It means if you try to snap the third point, the origin automatically comes from the first point to the second point. So you need to change the value here. So I'm going to give as 0, 10, and for fourth point I'm going to take minus 5, 0, and simply close it. So this is an incremental method. So this is a major difference between these two methods. So let us get into the settings behind the dynamic input. So here you can enable and disable the pointer input as well as dimension input. And let's get into the settings. Here you can have the two formats: polar formats and Cartesian formats. And we have two coordinates: relative coordinates and absolute coordinates. The relative coordinates means you can use when you know the location of a point in relation to the previous point, and to specify the point, it proceeds the value with the sign at. Let's take an example. I taken this as my origin, and the second point we have to mention with the symbol at and give a value like this. So this is about the dynamic input. Hope you guys like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.